What's up, guys? So today I am going to talk about how I have organized my life for 2021 and how you can too. So I've been using Notion for the past couple weeks and I literally am obsessed with it. If you wanna know how to download my template and how to use Notion yourself to help organize your life, then keep watching. So Notion is pretty much like how I've described it to my friends, because I've literally turned so many of them onto it, is it's like a website or a blog for you that's just like your life. So you can like kind of customize it as if it's a website. I've seen such a big difference in my productivity. I look at this thing every day, and especially as a college student, it really helps. You can get the personal pro, which is typically costs money for that, but if you're a student, like a college student, and you put your student email, it's free. So this is my homepage. Oh my god, I'm so freaking proud of it. So if you can't tell, green's my favorite color, and I just wanted the whole green aesthetic because it's what I'm into. I have the app, as you can see, so I would highly recommend that. Got a nice picture up here. Oh. At the top I have the weather, which I put a widget for, and I will link the widget down below. And then I have productivity, boom, got college assignments, YouTube, plans and habits, and then health, we got eating and fitness, and then me, which is aspirations and finance. So this is just the home page, looks beautiful, love it. So first things first, we got college. This is amazing. So here on the right, I have my classes and then also the time and days because I still don't have it memorized. So what I did is I linked the Google Doc. So when I click notes for this class, it opens up automatically. Boom, we got international business notes. Amazing. So that's really exciting that I have that there, and then it's color coordinated, and the colors here correspond with the property color coordination. So, oh, also I have my WebEx links here because I'm doing all online. So I just click that before the school starts, or before the class starts, and we're good to go. I have assignments in a list view here. I don't really use it a ton there, but it's just there if I need it. What I typically look at my assignments for is this assignments calendar view. And this is so freaking helpful because all of my teachers have like their syllabi on different like PDFs and stuff, and they're all in different locations. So to be able to look at all my classes, what to do and stuff in one place is really helpful so I don't forget anything. And as you see, it's color coordinated with my class. And then when I check it off, boom, it disappears, which is amazing because I can get that satisfaction that I got shit done. And so that's that. And then it also is linked in with the same list here. Next, I have my YouTube, which I have like to do, production, which is really helpful. I have boom, and I can like put it here as I go through the process of making a video, filmed, edited, ready for public. And then here I have my collaboration, so all of that technical stuff of like companies I've collaborated with. And then for plans and habits, so plans, this is super helpful. So I used to always keep my to-dos on my reminders app on my phone, but I find this is just way nicer because I can put in more information. And so I have the list view here, and it only shows my tasks for today, but here I have the calendar view. So yeah, so I can do like stuff in the future, but this only shows me the tasks I need to do today because that would get hectic if I could see my tasks for like an entire week, because then I feel like I have so much stuff to do. So boom, and then when I do that, it disappears, so we're good to go. And also these pictures are beautiful, like come on. Oh, then I have habits. I haven't gotten like super into this because I broke like my streak, so I'm in like super into meditation lately, but as you see, I did that, and then I kind of fell off the bandwagon and I haven't been keeping up with it. And then health, so here It's just a grocery list, but it's actually super helpful because I always buy the same kind of stuff. And so when I'm in the grocery store, oh, also there's a phone app so I can like have it on my phone. But when I'm in the grocery store, I can look, okay, I need tofu, boom, I checked it off. But then, since I always buy tofu every time I go, I can uncheck it. And then when I go to the grocery store next, I can see what I have in my pantry and what I don't have. So I don't need to create a new list every time since it's a reoccurring like. And then I just have some notes down here of like how I feel with certain foods because my stomach's really sensitive. Also, if you wanted, you could link recipes and stuff, but for me, I like having my recipes on Pinterest. Here we have fitness, so I have an exercise log. I love writing down when I exercise because I feel like I accomplished something. I just had to put everything in my calendar. I even put like social stuff in my calendar. I just added these 4 different properties. So I have legs, abs, boxing, or arms. So if I went to the gym, like for example here, I did legs, abs, arms, but that day I only did legs and abs. And then cute little picture. And then I just wrote down like a cardio thing I saw on TikTok. But if you wanted to write down your different exercises or link some kind of worksheet or something, you can put it here. This is my favorite one for sure. So aspirations, goals in life. This is actually like insane how much it's helped me like hone into my life and career goals and actually take the steps to further myself to those goals. So obviously some pretty pictures because what would you do without pictures? So here I have, okay, so like the left side is all my fun stuff and then the right side is more work stuff. So I have travel plans. Let me just tell you, if you try to put a picture up here, it needs to be insanely good quality or else it'll look really pixelated. So I have the different places I want to go, and this is in board view if you're wondering. And I have Japan, Italy, Bali, and if I click on it, I could put more details of, you know, how much the prices will be for the ticket, how much I need to save, where I want to go in Italy, all this stuff. Okay, so then we have manifestations, and then wish list, just shit I want. Okay, also, I like to have everything full width. And then careers, so these are to-dos for random things. And then career goals, so these are all the different careers I kind of want to have in my life. And then details of how I want to get to that goal, what I would do in that career, and all this stuff. And then job applications, boom. This is the Notion template. This is not my stuff here, but I did upload my resume and my cover letter template. You got your portfolio. Then here I have internships because that's kind of different from career. Like that's more of a this summer kind of thing. So I have like some, like what I want to do, and then the companies that I found, and then find opportunity, apply, follow up. So same as the YouTube template, I can go boom. And then also when I click on it, I have the link to their page here. Lastly, I have my study abroad thing, which is really exciting. But yeah, so I want to study abroad next fall. And so I have all their information here to do, advising meeting, write my personal statement, pretty picture of their campus, and then the link for the Rollins, you know, information, the courses I want to take there. And then lastly, this is not exciting, I just have finance and then investments. It's literally a blank page, but I do want to like put more information on there. And then also I want to put like a budget or something like that. So yeah, that's my Notion. If you want to duplicate my template, you are more than welcome. I'm putting the link in the description, and you know, even though it's my thing, you can customize it and change it however you want. It works just good as a base. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys found this helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.